radius 5 centimeters, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. We need to draw a pair of tangents to a circle which is 5 centimeters radius of 5 centimeters. Pair of tangents we need to draw for a circle which is radius of 5 centimeters and which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. It should be inclined with an angle of 60 degrees. So let's draw a circle with radius 5 centimeters using compass and a ruler. Let's take 5 centimeters radius on ruler using compass. We have taken 5 centimeters radius. This is the 5 centimeters radius we have taken on compass, and draw a circle using 5 centimeters radius. We have taken a point, and using the point, draw a circle. Draw a circle using 5 centimeters radius, and let's take the point as O, and this radius is 5 centimeters. We know that. Let's join these two points. This 5 centimeters. This 5 centimeters radius. Now use the compass and with the same radius, 5 centimeters radius, use the same radius, and using the point A, draw a circle using the point A, draw the circle. We are drawing another circle using the point A. Using the point A, we have drawn another circle. It is also of radius 5 centimeters. Now, let's see. We have drawn a radius which is with a radius of 5 centimeters. We have drawn another circle. The second circle is intersecting the first one. The point in 2 points, 2 distinct points. Let's take the points as P and Q. We have drawn 5 centimeters radius circle and drawn, after using the point, drawn another circle with using the same radius of 5 centimeters, and the second circle is intersecting the first circle at the points of P and Q. At 2 points we have taken it as P and Q, and using the points in P and Q, let's draw tangents, but we need a point which is external to the first circle. So let's draw a line segment. Let's draw a radius by extending the radius of AO. Let's extend AO. We are going to extend AO, radius AO. We have extended the radius AO and we got a point. We got a point here. Let's take the point as R. This is an external point for the first circle which I have taken here. So R is an external point for the first circle, and P and Q are the points on first circle. Let's join this P and R and Q Then we'll be getting the tangents of first circle. Let's join them. We are joining RP or PR. RP is the first tangent for the first circle. It's a tangent. Another tangent will form is RQ. Let's join this. So we have joined RP and RQ. We got the two tangents. Let's see here. What's the question? Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters. And we have taken a circle of 5 centimeters and using the same radius, and we have drawn another circle and we have taken an external point for it. And using that circle is intersecting at 2 points. We join that external point after extension of the radius, and RP and RQ is joined. We got the two tangents for the first circle. This is a circle, and then it's which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. We need to take these two tangents are making an angle of 60 degrees. We need to find out that. So here we know that from center to any point of the circle is a radius. So from center to any point of the circle is radius. So from A and P it's a radius. So let's join this A and P. A and P is a radius of a circle, and when we join O and P is also a radius because center to any point of the circle. So join O and P. So AP and PO are the radius of the circle, radii of the circle. So both are equal. And AO is also equal. So here we observe from triangle AOP, AP is equals to OP is equals to AO is 5 centimeters. We know already we have constructed the radius AO is 5 centimeters. Then after the point center to any point of the circle is the radius we have taken. Then it's a 5 centimeters. So we have observed here from triangle AOP, AO is equals to OP and it is equals to AO is 5 centimeters. We know AO is the radius of circle and OP is also radius of the circle, 5 centimeters from center to any point of the circle. And as we know that we have taken the same radius for the second circle which we have drawn with the dotted lines, the center A, and that the radius of the second circle which we have drawn, that is radius of 5 centimeters. So from center A to any point of the circle is a 5 centimeters. That's the reason it's AP is equals to OP is equals to AO. AP is equals to AO is equals to PO, or nothing but OP or equals to 5 centimeters. That's a nothing but AP is equals to OP is equals to AO, all 5 centimeters. So we have taken 5 centimeters, and if it is all the three sides are equal, we know that it's an equilateral triangle. So angle formed here is 60 degrees. An equilateral triangle having equal angles, all angles are equals to 60 degrees. We have taken that. And here we can observe that from triangle RAP, from triangle RAP, this is a triangle. An exterior angle is formed, that is 60 degrees, and it is on a linear plane, the straight angle, and here 60 degrees is formed, and either side it forms 120 degrees. You know that it's a linear pair, so either side it's 60 degrees, and this side it will be 120 degrees, and we got here. And then using the theorem from center to the point which we have drawn to the tangent to a circle, it's a perpendicular, and then it makes 90 degrees. Then OP is perpendicular to RP, so it makes an angle of 90 degrees. So this full angle is, total angle is OPR is 90 degrees, but here one of the parts we got is 60 degrees, a remaining angle it will be 30 degrees. So OPR is 90, and then OPA is 60, and then here APR will be 30 degrees. We know that using the property of a triangle, sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degrees, then 120 plus 30 is 150, the remaining angle will be 30 degrees. We got here, and we know that one of the property using the theorem, where the angle is made in this side for the first tangent, it also make the second tangent is 30 degrees using the same theorem, or else you can apply the same rule for either side of this triangle, and we'll get the 30 degrees in this side of angle QRO is 30 degrees we got here. Then we can understand the angle of RAP, we got from RAP, we got the angle of RAP is 120 degrees, and remaining angles are, we know, 30 and 30, because from this 90 degrees we got total, this is 60 and remaining 30 degrees, so we got RPA is 30 degrees, and then PRO is also 30 degrees. PRO, this is 30 degrees, and then we can understand from here is that the angles made with the tangents with the circle is PRQ, is this angle is formed. PRQ is 30 plus 30, it's a 60 degrees. And now let's recall the question here. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters, which we have done earlier. Draw a 5 centimeter circle, and then using this radius of using the point of A, and we have drawn another circle, second one, and it's intersecting at 2 points P and Q. Using the points of P and Q, we join an external point R, which we have extended the radius of OA. We got this, and then we join RQ and RP, and we got some of the triangles that are we have when we have joined these points. We got equilateral triangle. Using this property of triangles, we got this angles, all the angles of triangle. Then we observe here the angles made is PRO is 30 degrees, and either side it also makes 30 degrees, and then we got these all the things. And then here we can observe the angle made is PRQ is 60 degrees, and when we read out the question here, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees, then hence the construction is proved and completed.